Hurricanes, Magic, Monktons won 7 straight at home, jump over to the 4th with 18 seconds left in regulation. Antoine Mason gets to the rim and finishes in traffic. We are tied at 78 apiece. 7 seconds left, Terry Thomas cuts off the screen, puts up the teardrop, and rims in and out, and we are heading to OT. Billy White drives the paint and gets the tough contested shot to fall. Canes up 4, White goes for 18. Thomas went for 25 in the game, but this beautiful crossover to draw the double team and dish to Tyrell Baines for the two-handed flush pulls the Magic within 2. 41 seconds left, Corey Almond gets behind the D and draws the foul on Cliff Clinkscales. Almond sinks both to tie it up. Then Clinkscales with the freeze and drive to the rim to draw the contact. With ice water in his veins, the captain sinks 1 of 2. Canes escape with the 1-point road victory, 87-86.